how FM lost client trust and how we earn it back.
Hey guys, remember to head below to like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our videos.
Carlo Alloni, Chief Executive Officer of Bellrock, offers insights on restoring trust in the facilities management industry. Alloni argues that the industry has trained clients to be skeptical due to missed service level agreements, SLAs, opaque billing, and a focus on raising tickets rather than solving problems. Low-price procurement often leads to low-quality service, creating a cycle where complexity is monetized by providers rather than resolved. Traditional contracts reward activity, tasks completed, rather than meaningful outcomes like asset uptime, occupant happiness, or carbon reduction. Providers should start with truth, publishing baseline asset health and backlog risks within 90 days of starting a contract to build credibility. Alloni advocates linking provider payments directly to verified results, such as energy savings and compliance, rather than flat service fees. Asset registers should be treated like financial ledgers, cleaned, tagged, and governed to ensure they reflect reality and support condition-based maintenance. Alloni suggests replacing retrospective monthly meetings with live controls, daily risk heat maps, and 12-week look-ahead plans for faster truth. Facilities management should be viewed as a value lever tied to the broader enterprise agenda, influencing employee retention, financial predictability, and net zero goals. Clients must also contribute by funding initial discovery/stabilization phases, selecting fewer but more impactful KPIs, and sharing their long-term estate strategies. To read more, find the full article in our opinion category. Read more at TWinFM.com.